are at, what's this called? Floor and Decor?
Yeah, I think it's Floor and Decor.
Never heard of it before, but we're shopping.
Supposedly
We're window shopping.
Wait,
Oh my gosh, wait, look at this. No, we're not windows. We're not actually getting windows. We're like window shopping.
What's that?
You know what window shopping is?
Like looking around?
Like looking around but not actually buying anything. Wait, I didn't tell you. I'm telling my vlog that we're window shopping and Adriana's like, really, why do we need windows? Picture me here in my house, chilling, reading a book.
That does look peaceful.
Right? Like mad nice.
You have the fall fit on this mad hot outside.
I know, it's literally like show them my fit. Jeans and then these Uggs. But I have a crop top under, but I'm just wearing the hoodie because I get cold easily. And it was cold in the car. Like it's 81 degrees and it's October. It's actually insane. Wow, that's really cool. It's like an accent wall.
Yo, imagine going to a bathroom and just feeling the accent. Oh, that's dope, yeah.
This is actually so nice. Wait, what can I... Is this for a kitchen? That's gardening.
Oh.
Let me just eat. Let me just eat with my big fork. That's like for a beach house. I kind of like the light wood, but I don't like the light wood with light wood. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I like light.
Like this has to be light wood and white, or white and light wood.
I like light wood. I don't like dark wood that much.
Yeah. The IKEA method is to not go in through the showroom.
Yeah,
To go in through the clearance section. Oh my god. I am sweating balls off. We're at IKEA now.
The raspberry.
I had a raspberry drink because my blood sugar is dropping.
How
So.
noticeable is my pimple from a scale of 1 to 10?
Where's the pimple?
Right there.
Oh no, it looks like a little mark. I know. Let me see. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 5.
A 5?
Yeah, because you put makeup on it, so you can't tell it's a pimple. This is the clearance section in IKEA. The IKEA method. Like, look how cute that little thing is. I would buy it. It's literally $3. Bro, should I get that? Where would I put it? Nowhere, but it's so cute. It's $3.
This?
Yes.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
$30.
It's $3.
Where?
Oh, I thought it was 3.
How much is
It's 30. Damn. My hopes and dreams were just cut short. This is the Swedish bistro. Guys, the IKEA method. Tell them what you got. Oh my god, you almost broke the freaking door. Bro, he broke the door. Bro, they got a generic article for $1.50. $1.50. It's the next day and I look a little crazy. I'm gonna try to do my hair later, so I'm gonna show y'all what I do. I'm gonna try to do like mini twists. I don't know, let's see how that works out. Today, while the kids are at school, my niece and my nephews, we're gonna go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and we're gonna go get some tortas from a Mexican restaurant kind of thing. It's a bodega / restaurant, and you'll see what it looks like. It's kind of cool. But yeah, let's go. Going inside.
I'll keep that. Llévalo como...
Saludos. La torta, ¿no? La misma de ayer. Pollo, milanesa, torta, con todo. Una. The spike protein.
It does.
From
What
COVID.
is that? Don't touch it if you're not gonna buy it. Got the goods. Gonna do an unboxing. Unboxing and stealing. When we get to the car. Here, show them how big it is. This is how big the torta is. Like humongous. One is good for 2 people.
Look at this.
Open it up.
I'm gonna give you the biggest. I'm gonna give you the bigger one.
Oh, it's so sweet of you. Thank you. Already know it's
I
good.
just gonna take out the jalapenos because
Oh, yeah.
too spicy.
Take
So-
them out
Take
because
them out because then
they are
your mouth
too
is gonna be on fire.
Yeah, even though the spice still gets it, but it's like it's a good spice, you know. So good. Okay, we're at TJ Maxx now, and they have detachable headband veils. Look.
What the hell? Why they have this?
I don't know. I'm so confused why they have this in stock right now. Oh my gosh, look how cute. They actually have the tiny ones.
Those are so nice.
Wow.
I like those. Oh,
$6.
like big ones here.
Oh, what the heck? Okay, TJ Maxx bringing it up. They know what's in style and what's not.
They know.
Oh, yes.
Yo, I
we
saw
got
a clip
cart.
of the Kardashians where they acted like they were poor. So they went to the supermarket to do groceries.
Oh my god, I saw that
You
too,
saw that,
yeah.
right? And then they pushed their own card. They were like, oh, like I'm pushing my own card.
Like they were bored, so they were like, then they wanted to do things that everybody does.
And then they were like,
like-
unloading the card to the trunk.
They're like, oh,
She was
this is
like, oh,
fun.
Yeah, this is not bad.
What?
And I'm like, what? No way. And then she was like, and then the mom was like, oh, you have to return the card. And then she was like, oh, okay. So she went and returned it where the car returned.
Who was this?
This was
Kylie, it was Kylie.
Dreams do come true. Do you want to push the basket? We're approved.
it was
Kylie?
Kylie.
Yeah, it was Kylie.
Kylie and her mom.
Yeah, Kylie and Chris.
Kylie has never.
Yo, they have a UGG coat in here, and it's so soft. Holy smokes! But UGGs actually use like real animal.
Do they? No.
Yeah, they use real sheep.
If this is $100, it can't be $100 if it's real
$100,
animal.
But I mean, it's TJ Maxx sale, so I guess maybe I don't know.
Do I look like Puff Daddy?
You do. Yo, you should do a music video with a coat like that. With a big pink coat.
Hey, can you buy me this?
Of course, she supports his lunacy. I need some Halloween pajamas. I don't have any. Oh, this is a cute one. It's a Baby Yoda Halloween one. $10. And there's this one. This one's too flimsy. The pumpkin one. I left for like 2 seconds and the Baby Yoda one was gone. Oh, made some damage at TJ Maxx, but it's okay. It is
We'll
A-okay.
recover.
We will recover.
We'll come back stronger.
Look at all these beautiful plants. Like, they're so cute. This is the stuff I got at TJ Maxx. I got this phone case for $9 because my phone case is messed up. So I'm about to put it on my phone. Then I got the screen protector because my screen protector, for some reason, it creates a glare. So I can't take good selfies. So I got a screen protector. That was $5. And then I got these cute nails. I'm going to put them on right now to see how they look. And those are $5. Then I got these pumpkin pajamas. So cute.
I said, oh, jump scare.
Were the ones I showed you in the store. Those are $10. Fuzzy socks for $5. Then I got these these nail eye pads. I'm so excited to try them today. And these were $7. So it's like snail. I don't know what it is, but it has snail secretion. I got the Moonlight Ariana Grande spray, but I gave that to my niece already, and that was like $7. TJ Maxx got some good deals today. And they had Doc Martens at TJ Maxx. Like, Doc Martens are usually like $150, and they're like name brands, and those were actually $80. And I was thinking about getting them, but they fit me a little tight, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take it. But they have my size. Whew, I would have been $80 poor, less richer today, but that's okay. So yeah, that's all I got. Look how cute the nails look. I'm gonna go try to do my hair now. Oh damn, I should have done my hair first and then my nails. We're still gonna try. We're gonna try. And if anything, if they pop off, I'll just glue them back on.
This one? Not that I know of, but I'm kind of sloppy with them. For life. I say there's someone for everyone. I know. Olivia Newton-John. The Macarena. You and Lane forever. You know, but less feminine. That's the battery.
Okay, so I just finished with my hair. I had to ask for some backup, and my niece helped me out with the back part because I could not see. But this is what it looks like so far. It looks better on the girl in the video because her hair is thicker than mine. I'm just gonna put my hair up in a bun, and then tomorrow it'll be curly because of the twist, and I'll just take it out. So, and then it goes waist, right? Pretty much. And this up here is like, that bird looks bad, and then like it's just not giving because my hair is very thin. So like you can see all the mistakes, right? But it's okay. We're gonna work with it. With my 3 little strands of hair. There needs to be more thin hair girly gurus out there because I don't know what the frick I'm doing with my hair. That's all. Alright, so I ordered some stuff from Amazon, so let's unbox it. My nail came off. Oh, this is my strawberry shortcake costume. Comes with a strawberry hat. Oh, this is my Harry Potter costume. My thing. This is my skirt. This is my Gryffindor scarf. This is, I don't know what this is, but we'll see. I ordered a wig, so I hope the wig is here. So I can try it on. I ordered my tie, my Harry Potter tie. That goes in the Harry Potter pile. My wig, excited to try it out. My skirts. And my Harry Potter robe. So these are my 2 Halloween costumes I have so far. I'm gonna have 3 costumes this year. And this is a card reader. I'm gonna have 3 costumes this year. Because that's literally what I do every year. I have a party one, a trick-or-treating one, and then a photo shoot one. So yeah. Alright, let's try this on. It's just, I look like a little boy with them on. Maybe it's because I have no makeup. I just feel like I look like a little boy. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna try on the clothes I got from Amazon. I'm gonna try on the strawberry shortcake on first because it has a wig and I really want to try the wig on. I don't know, I'm excited for that. So let's do that. So the skirt is so cute. I'm gonna wear a white top with it. So this is not the shirt I'm gonna wear with, but I like that it's pink, you know. But it's cute. I just have to like iron it because it's super wrinkly, but it fits me very well and it's very comfortable. And does it have pockets? It does have pockets because it is a tennis skirt, so it has pockets inside. I love that. Oh my gosh, this is kind of crazy. This is insane. All right, let's try the beret on. This beret is so cute. Look at it, it's a strawberry. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Bye. She's giving strawberry shortcake. It's giving cute. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Just look. Wear it like this. So cute. Let me put the socks on. And that's literally it. That's the outfit. Ta-da! These are the strawberry shortcake socks. Oh my gosh. It looks so funny. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. But with a white shirt, it's gonna look, I just zoomed in. With a white shirt, it'll look better. And I don't know, maybe some like strawberry accessories. I feel like, not strawberry accessories, but the makeup. Just picture the makeup like a pink eyeliner, a beat face, and red lipstick. Cute. I'm gonna go try on the Harry Potter outfit now, and I'll show you. So I got the shirt on. I'm gonna try to figure out how to put this tie on. I don't know, but I'm so excited. I feel like such a schoolgirl. So the shirt fits on good, and so the skirt, it is a tennis skirt, so it's a bit flowy and nice. I mean, that looks kind of right? That looks kind of right. Alright, I'll figure it out before Halloween. But look at me, Gryffindor girly. So this is the robe. Oh my god, this is so sweet. Y'all, I don't want to talk about how much I spent on these 2 costumes. I'm like out of my mind. Oh my god! I look like a Hogwarts student. Stop. It has a hoodie. Oh, what is this? It has a hoodie. Okay. Bye, y'all. Does this have pockets so I could put my... Bro, it doesn't have any pockets. Where am I gonna put my wand? Where am I gonna put my wand? Let's put on the scarf. I look so silly with these freaking braids. Wait, look at me. Period. Okay. I'm ready to go to Hogwarts. Look, I'm a Hogwarts girl. But yeah, I'm ready for Halloween. I'm ready. No, we're not ready because I need another costume because I want to match with my boyfriend. So maybe we could be like a Hogwarts couple, you know? Like, why not? Why not? I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. This is how my hair came out in the morning. I'm gonna loosen them up later. But right now I'm working on a project. My sister-in-law asked me to make her some shirts for her job, so that's what I'm doing. They're doing a breast cancer fair. Well, not a fair, they're doing a fair, and since it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I'm just like, you can barely see it, but I'm in the middle of weeding out the letters. Hopefully they like them.
Messed up. They're gonna make you fill out a new one.